Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a very quick and easy lunch. Well, lunch for me, okra for you. I'm going to make bhindi ki sabzi, and it's going to be quick and easy. This is one that's been requested by my friend who also requested my recipe for Baigan bharta, which you can click up there and have a look at how I made Baigan bharta, the aubergine one. She came and visited me the other day and had lunch with me, and I had made bhindi, and she said, oh, I want to know how you made this, it's very tasty. So believe it or not, it's a work day. It was a work day that day when she came. It's a Friday afternoon today, and I was just going to make myself some rotis, and I thought, let me quickly make this bhindi sabzi and show it to my friend while I do it. Okay, so for this I have just got frozen bhindi, chopped. You can get it at an Indian grocer's. This is 300 grams, middle of the workday. So frozen chopped onions, about 100 grams, frozen weight that is. Fresh tomatoes, I used 2 tomatoes, that's approximately 120 grams as well, chopped up. And then the spices for it are a spice spoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and today I'm adding a little bit of Amchur so that it gets a really tangy taste. And other than this, all you need is salt to taste and maybe 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So it's a yummy dish, it's a vegan dish, and you can have it vegan vegetarian. You can have it with dal or with roti and rice, or with roti, rice, paratha, puri. Bhindi is yum and it's delicious. So let's get cooking. Have your pan on high heat and pour in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil. So I've got it on high heat. My battery ran out on my camera, so I don't know exactly how much has been filmed. But basically I've just put a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and then dropped in the onions, and as you can see, because I've had it on high heat, it's cooked through really fast and it's kind of golden brown and the oil is separated. So at this point I'm going to put in the tomatoes, and I'm going to put in all the spices together. Give that a quick good stir and put in the salt as well. Salt is to taste. So after stirring it for a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, you can put in your frozen bhindi so that it all cooks together at the same time. I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for 10-15 minutes. I'm going to come and stir it from time to time just to check that it's cooking through okay. And I'm going to leave it on a medium simmer. Right, this is all done. Beautiful. Just cook it till all the water dries up. Time for lunch. Gonna turn it off now. So that took me 20 minutes to make this lovely bhindi. I'm gonna eat it now. That's my lunch. Let's see how it tastes. Perfect. quick, nutritious, yummy. You've got to try this recipe. Let me know how it comes out for you. Thank you for watching. Like if you like the recipe and do subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you next time. Bye.